Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Barbie Gift Set is probably one of the most iconic and cherished toy collections available, offering a delightful gateway into imaginative play for children and a nostalgic treasure for adult collectors alike, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to spark joy and creativity with a touch of timeless elegance and whimsical fun. Number 5. Barbie Playet with Blonde Fashion Doll. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this doll and her trusty horse. They are eager to explore the world together on horseback. This beautiful horse comes with a soft mane and tail, and accessories like a bridle and saddle. It's ready for any journey. The doll is designed to sit perfectly on the saddle, with bendable knees for a realistic riding experience. Her feet can rest comfortably in the stirrups. She's dressed in a casual yet chic riding outfit, complete with pink pants, a denim top, tall boots, and a protective pink helmet. This set makes a wonderful gift for children aged 3 and up. It's perfect for sparking their imagination and encouraging creative play. Collect other dolls and toys to broaden the possibilities. When a child plays with Barbie, they can imagine becoming anything they dream of. What we like? This set features a doll and her horse, perfect for imaginative play. The doll's knees bend, allowing for realistic riding poses. If you are looking for a classic play experience that encourages storytelling and outdoor adventure themes, this is the one for you. What people say. The Barbie Gift Set is a fantastic collection for any young fan of Barbie. It includes multiple dolls with detailed outfits and accessories, allowing for hours of imaginative play. The quality of the dolls and accessories in the Barbie Gift Set is excellent. The materials are durable, and the attention to detail in the design is impressive, making it a great value for collectors and children alike. Number 4. Barbie Be a Fashion Designer Kit. Discover the Barbie Be a Fashion Designer Kit. It's your chance to create unique styles for your dolls. Get ready for endless fashion fun. With this set, you can design your own Barbie doll fashions. Apply ribbons, bows, and glitter to make truly custom looks. Add dazzling glitter, elegant ribbons, and cute bows to bring your creations to life. The possibilities for creative play are endless. This crafting activity set is perfect for DIY doll dress-up. Use the included stickers and accessories to craft amazing new outfits. Let your imagination run wild as you create custom styles. This kit provides everything you need for hours of artistic expression. Proudly made in the United States, this fashion designer kit offers quality and creativity. What we like? This kit allows kids to design their own Barbie fashions using ribbons, bows, and glitter. It's a hands-on crafting activity that sparks creativity. If you have a child who loves to design and create, or enjoys DIY projects, this set will provide hours of artistic fun. What people say. The Barbie Gift Set is a fantastic collection for any young fan of Barbie. It includes multiple dolls with different outfits and accessories, offering great value and playability. The quality of the dolls and their clothing is excellent, with attention to detail in the design. Number 3. Barbie Color Reveal Surprise Party Set. Get ready for a party with over 50 exciting surprises. This set is packed with fun and the magic of color reveal. Unbox to find 21 mystery boxes. Inside, you'll discover dolls and pets covered in a dazzling metallic confetti print, along with many accessories. Fill the tube with warm water and swirl to reveal the dolls and pets. Watch as the water transforms into a shimmery, magical scene. Use the star-shaped sponge with ice-cold water to change their looks. You can switch them back and forth with warm water for endless fun. The packaging is part of the play. Punch out pieces to create speakers, a DJ booth, and other fun party props. Flip the board over and use the accessories and packaging pieces to set up the perfect surprise party scene. Let the dolls dance the night away. With so many ways to play in a fun party theme, this set is a fantastic gift for kids aged 3 to 9. They'll have a blast creating their own stories. What we like? This set offers over 50 surprises, including dolls and pets with exciting color change features. The packaging transforms into party props, enhancing the play experience. If you are looking for a gift with maximum surprise and interactive play, especially a party theme, this is an excellent choice for endless unboxing and reveal fun. What people say. The Barbie Gift Set is a fantastic collection for any young fan. It includes multiple dolls with detailed outfits and accessories, offering great value and playability. The quality of the materials is impressive, ensuring durability for hours of imaginative fun. Number 2. KT Fancy 83 PCS Doll Closet Wardrobe Accessory Set. Introducing the ultimate accessory set for your 11.5-inch dolls. It's packed with everything they need to stay stylish and organized. This amazing playset includes a doll closet, travel suitcase, a variety of dresses, shoes, necklaces, bags, and more. Get ready for hours of imaginative play. Organize their entire wardrobe in this chic purple closet. With real working drawers and cabinets, it's perfect for storing all their tiny treasures. Looking for a gift that will wow? This fashion pack comes in a beautiful box, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for girls aged 3 and up. Watch their creativity soar as they mix and match outfits and accessories. It's the perfect way to encourage imaginative play and storytelling. We are dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or need assistance, our customer service team is here to help. What we like? This set provides a purple doll closet filled with various accessories like dresses, shoes, and bags for 11.5-inch dolls. It also offers a storage solution for organizing doll items. If you already have dolls and are looking to expand their wardrobe and accessories, or need a way to keep doll items organized, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Barbie Gift Set is a fantastic collection that offers great value for money. The dolls are beautifully made with intricate details in their outfits and accessories. This set includes a variety of accessories that enhance imaginative play and storytelling. Number 1. Barbie Fantasy Dress-Up Set. Get ready to tell magical stories with this amazing dress-up set. It comes with a beautiful doll and 3 complete character outfits. Inspired by a candy kingdom, each outfit is decorated with delightful candy colors and charming accents. She looks absolutely sweet in every look. The royal outfit features a candy-detailed bodice, a long, colorful skirt with glitter, and matching accessories. It's fit for a queen. Dive into fantasy with the mermaid look. It includes a stylish swimsuit top, an ombre tail, and decorated fins for underwater adventures. Let your imagination soar with the fairy costume. It comes with a bodice, skirt, shoes, and glittery wings adorned with sweet candy details. Play out classic fairy tales or create your own unique characters by mixing and matching the outfits. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This set includes a Barbie doll with 3 complete fantasy outfits, royal, mermaid, and fairy, all inspired by candy themes. It encourages mixing and matching for new character creations. If you love fairy tales and imaginative role-playing with magical creatures, this set offers diverse fantasy adventures. What people say. This Barbie gift set includes a variety of accessories that enhance playtime. The dolls are well made with detailed outfits and articulation. The packaging is attractive and suitable for gifting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.